Let's see now how can we remove the yellow cast from the Fimi X8se camera. We insert our clip into Filmora or any other video editing software, and we see here that we have a very warm yellow cast that is very annoying. The color doesn't look at all natural. So we go to settings, advanced settings, and we take a look at the histogram here. You can see the three colors, the red, the green and the blue, the three basic colors. These three colors must be balanced, almost balanced at all our footage. So we slide the slider to the color cast on the left. It's the more blue, more cold color, as you can see, and on the right it's more warm, more yellow. So we need to go to the left to have a balanced color cast. We tried that in many different portions of our footage. To see where it looks better. It's not necessary to always have a balanced histogram, and it's a personal taste how warm or how cold color cast we will have to our video. But the general rule is to have a balance of these three colors. So I believe somewhere over there is the perfect point. So the next step is to make the correct exposure, because Fimi doesn't do that very well also. So we play a little bit with the highlights, with the contrast and the brightness of our footage. Again, we put our personal taste of how the video would look. Maybe it's softer, maybe it's more contrast, depending on how we see it better. There are many other options underneath there. We can adjust the highlights, the shadows, to be more precise on how the video would look. We like to have it pop a little bit. The same thing with the saturation of the colors and the intensity. So we play around with the settings until we are satisfied with the final result. And let's see now the differences. So now that we have our video with a correct color balance and exposure, we can apply to it the color LUTs. Color LUTs are ready-made settings that give a certain look to our footage. You can see here in Filmora there are many color LUTs. I have put in some more. So we have a preview on how our video will look with the different LUTs, depending on the emotion we want to give to the viewer and our personal likes. So we try many different LUTs and keep the one that we are satisfied with. LUTs are usually on sale, but after searching the internet you can find a lot of freeware LUTs that work well with many software, and Filmora has LUT support. So now that we applied the LUT, we go to crop a little bit up and down our footage to give a more cinematic look, to have those two black bars and a more cinematic frame. So there it is, with all the fixes we did and the final LUT and cinematic look.